Observers there, so High Command decision is something that is now been taken up in a sealed envelope by them. These are exclusive reports that we are now picking up on Times Now. So what is being said that the decision announcement may happen only post 4 p.m.
This is the information which we are getting as after the in charge and the observers are going to reach there in Trivandrum, then only the meeting is going to begin, is what we are learning from the sources. As earlier the time was fixed at 1 p.m. But now as the in charge of Kerala Congress, Ms. Deepa Dashmunshi, along with the two observers Ajay Makar and Mukul Wasnik, they are going to fly to Trivandrum in a charter flight which is scheduled at 10:30 a.m. in the morning. So when they are going to reach there, after that a discussion is going to take place with the elected MLAs, and in fact a communication is also going to be done to the alliance partners, and after that only a formal announcement will be done. As when the formal announcement regarding the CM phase will be done, then after the support from all the alliance partners, the UDF is going to meet the governor of Kerala as well to form the government. As for that reason,
the
now
required numbers already it is being questioned exactly why is it taking so long for the Congress party, for the high command of the Congress party to decide on a name, because there have been multiple front runners and that seems to be the power camps that seems to be building up within the party. So if we take a look as far as the chronology is concerned of the last 10 days, because this seems to be the party finally will be making an announcement today. Let's talk about the timeline, because what happened on the 4th of May, the results came out. UDF storms to power, winning over 103 seats. We're looking at 103 seats. We're looking at when it comes to the next 2 days, the AICC observers meeting the MLAs as well, feedback that was sent to the party high command. This is how the Congress party leaders have been defending the stance and the delay, saying that we are a democratic party and we take everyone's opinions, and that is the kind of importance that is given to them. So back and forth from Thiruvananthapuram to Delhi, there have been multiple huddles there, meetings that happened between Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge, Sonia Gandhi. We're looking at the CM announcement that then thereafter was expected day before yesterday actually, but again another delay has happened, and the final call now, what is being said, is being made today. The decision seemingly has already happened, and the decision is something that would be conveyed to the party leaders today. And in the evening, when it comes to seeking time with the governor, that means that the party would be ready to form the government in the state of Kerala, because it's on the 23rd of May when the Kerala Assembly term comes to an end and the new government must take oath.